everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I started the day off by going to Lidl and buying some ingredients because I really wanted to make this prawn spaghetti thing that I saw on Instagram a while ago. Oh, these croissants look so good. I literally cannot go to Lidl without looking at their bakery section. It's incredible. They have such a huge selection of food as well. It's so great. They look nice. So I'm looking for some Parmesan cheese to make that spaghetti thing, but I really can't find it here, and I don't know why. They have so many other variations except for Parmesan. Unless it's written in a different form, I just can't see the Parmesan cheese anywhere. So I was just trying to find some double cream for the spaghetti, but I really can't find it. I can only find single cream here, and they have so much single cream. But they have a lot of butter, and I don't know if they have a different cream section. So I guess I'm just gonna have to get the single cream and hope it works out, even though the recipe said to use thick cream, which I assume is double cream, because it will just make the pasta a lot thicker, but whatever, we'll have to do with what we've got. Right, so I just lied because I've just found the double cream and they do have it here, so I will buy this one instead because obviously that's the one that I need for the recipe. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so let's talk about these biscuits. So we all know about McVitie's, but have you heard of Tower Gate? I haven't. This is the first time I've ever seen Tower Gate, and they have so many off-brand biscuit things and snacks in Lidl. It's just quite a bit of the selection. Oh yeah, and there were these Oreos, but they were called Neos. Where are they? They're over here. I think that's quite funny. They're called Neos, and I thought these are real Jaffa cakes at first glance, but then I was like, no, they're really not the same, because the price was like way reduced, obviously, because it's Lidl. But Neo, really? Neo? I can't. So I had no idea that Lidl sells makeup, but why does this literally look like Benefit's eye products, like eyebrow products? Focus. Literally looks the same, except these are super teeny weeny. But even like the display banner looks like the Benefit one. What is going on, guys? I can't believe this. So I need some white wine for the spaghetti, apparently. But I don't really know much about wine. I'm not really a wine drinker, I guess you could say. I don't even know what a wine bottle's meant to look like. I assume this, or maybe this, but this is pink. White wine's meant to be like white. Maybe that's white wine. Let's have a look. I'm not gonna buy this though. I think I'm gonna make it without. How are you meant to tell if it's white wine? I don't actually know. Right, never mind. I think I'm just gonna make the spaghetti pasta thingy without wine, so I guess I'll do that. Is that white wine?
I know, but it says white on it.
Oh wait, wait. So this one says something blanc, which I guess means white in French, and it also says white here. So that thingy, I assume is white wine. I don't know.
Please scan. Please take your shopping and your receipt. Thank you for shopping at Lidl.
Just packed my bag and I'm about to go home now. Hee hee. Guys, the craziest thing just happened. So I was just putting the hand sanitizer on and this man tries to drive his trolley into me. I'm like, what the hell? I was actually quite scared. He literally nearly hit me with his trolley. I was like, what's going on? I hope that never happens again. That was really scary. Whenever I cook, I literally always have to chop up onions and garlic and all that type of stuff so tiny because I don't really like chewing it, if that kind of makes sense. I don't know if I'm being weird, but I always have to cut it into super tiny pieces. The recipe was using a lot of random stuff that I just didn't have, so I just improvised and used this gravy powder thingy that we had at home for chicken broth just as a substitute, and I guess it worked the same because it tasted great. The most annoying thing about frying things is that the butter / oil always somehow flies and splashes me, and it's so annoying. I'm too lazy to wear an apron, so I guess it's my fault, and I don't really like wearing long sleeves either, so I always end up getting burnt by the food that I'm trying to cook, which I think is really rude.
How good does the spaghetti look? It just looks one colour on camera, but it smells incredible. Like, it's basically just garlic and prawn pasta, but damn, it smells so good. This is the end result. How good does it look? I am so obsessed. I tried some and it's incredible. Like, I'm so excited that I'm just so happy that I made it, to be fair. I feel like this looks like something you get at a restaurant maybe. I don't know, am I gassing myself up there? Probably. But you know what? This tastes really good and it looks insane as well. And I just put them in here for decoration. I'm not going to eat that. I'll probably chuck that out because, you know, I have to make the presentation look decent at least. But yeah, I'm so happy with it, guys. At the moment, my nails look really bad. They are so chipped, so I think I should probably paint them. I don't really want to do any water decals today because I've been doing that for like the past month or 2 months or so. So I think I'm just going to paint them this colour, and then I'll probably use this as a top coat because it looks really nice.
I feel like whenever I make these vlogs, I'm always complaining about my nails, then I'm always painting my nails. It just happens to be that I always end up painting my nails on the days that I film these videos. So as you can see, I've grown my nails out for quite some time, I think about 4 months now, and I painted them this really nice colour, and I love how they look.
So I just want to have a hot chocolate, so I'm gonna make it. I normally put heap spoons. Not this big, but I assume this is like 2 spoons, so pop that and then a normal spoon. And when I make my hot chocolate, I always only add water. I don't like adding milk to it, so I'll just add some water. I don't know why I'm speaking as if I'm making a tutorial on how to make hot chocolate, because this is literally basic. And if you like it milky, then you should probably add milk, but I don't really like it with milk, so normally I'd just have it like this, but today we actually have whipped cream and marshmallows, so I will add that to make it look more presentable. I rarely have cream and marshmallows, by the way. It's just because we have it today. So I guess I'll just take the spoon out and put it on this plate. So basically a little hack for, I think this one's by Iceland. So normally the Iceland whipped creams are really hard to squirt out, but basically if you just grab a butter knife and shove it in here to break this like poppy thing, it makes it so much easier to squirt the cream on to your hot chocolate. So you can literally just do it with one finger now. Oh my gosh, oh no, it's overflowing. That was not meant to happen. It literally always happens, so I've normally just got to like eat some of the cream because you don't want it to overflow and melt. It tastes so good. And basically once I was watching a K-drama and they ordered like some drink from I think Starbucks and they had cream on it, and the lady just like bit the cream, and I just thought that looked so cool. So, and also the other day I burnt my tongue, which was really fun, and then I couldn't really feel my tongue for the next 3 to 4 days because I drank the hot chocolate way too quickly. So I think I've learnt, and got some marshmallows. These are mini ones, so they're perfect for like hot chocolate, I guess. Just throw them on top. Normally I don't really like marshmallows in my hot chocolate because I just find them annoying, and they're just like you have to chew them when you're just trying to have a drink. But I'll put them on for presentation purposes. I need some pink ones. I've got a lot of white ones at the moment. And voila, there we have it. A little hot chocolate. So as you guys know, I am learning Korean in my free time, and now that I've finished first year, I've basically got like a month or so to basically do whatever I want. So I've been trying to learn Korean just for fun really, I guess, and also to help me understand when I watch dramas, because I watch a lot of K-dramas, and as you may know if you watch dramas with subtitles, the subtitles are often wrong, so I just want to fully understand it, you know. So yeah, and I think it would be quite cool to learn a different language. I'm also learning French. I've been learning French since I was in primary school, so that's quite a few years. I normally do it on my laptop and write down words into my Korean books to help me like learn it and stuff. This is quite good now because with all the vocab that I'm learning, when I watch dramas sometimes they say the words and phrases and I'm like, ah, I know what that means, and it's just quite exciting, I guess, like learning a new language. So it's quite a good life skill to have anyway.
학생이 도서관에서 생각합니다.
학생이 the student.
남자들이 같이 생각합니다.
남자들이 같이 생각합니다.
아이들이 함께 앉습니다.
아이들이 함께 앉습니다.
여자와 남자는 함께 웃습니다.
And here's a little time lapse of me writing in Korean and then writing the translation in English because that's what I always do.
남자들이 같이 생각합니다.
남자들이 같이 생각합니다. Ah, yay, I finished the lesson. So for like the past year, I've been editing on iMovie, and it was actually pretty great to start off with because obviously I had no previous editing experience or training or anything like that, and when I started my YouTube I had to learn to edit, obviously, because to make my videos more interesting and stuff. So I basically used iMovie for the longest time, and then I really wanted to get Final Cut Pro because there were just so many benefits to using it. So at the start of lockdown and quarantine and all that stuff, I basically got a free trial of Final Cut Pro, and that was 90 days, and my trial just ended like a few days ago, so I've been editing on Final Cut Pro for about 90 days and I absolutely love it. And compared to iMovie, it's such an upgrade because you can just do so many cool things which you really can't do on iMovie. But on iMovie you can only add one overlay, which really limited my editing, and also iMovie really made my laptop make really weird noises. When I was editing it would be like blasting. The fans in my MacBook would be blasting because I assume iMovie really used up a lot of energy, I guess, to work on my laptop. I tried to go back to editing on iMovie for a different video, and OMG, I couldn't believe it. It was a nightmare, to put it straight. I hated it. Like when I started using iMovie it was good, obviously, because I'd never edited before, but then when I moved on to the Pro version I just can't go back to using iMovie. So normally Final Cut Pro is £300 to buy, which is a lot of money. It's a huge investment to make, especially for your YouTube channel or whatever you want to edit. Because I'm a student I can get this Pro Apps bundle for education. This huge bundle is only £199.99. This isn't sponsored and it's not an advert or anything. I'm just telling you because I think it's a great deal. So for £200 you get all these 5 apps. Obviously it's a huge investment that I've made for my channel. So hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy my videos much more because I'll be able to edit all the time now using Final Cut Pro. So I've already ordered it, but I'm just showing you this main screen kind of thing at the moment so you can see what the thing is. I'm so excited to permanently have Final Cut Pro because once you make the purchase you have it for life, so you don't need to repurchase it again, unlike Adobe Premiere Pro, which is really expensive and you have to pay every month or even every year. This is just the one-off payment and you've got it for life. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I finally caved in and bought it because I really can't go back to iMovie. Like I just need Final Cut Pro for my vlogs and stuff to make it more interesting.
If you've made it this far through the video, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please smash a huge thumbs up and press the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.